So let's get started. We'll do is when something is happening, it happens to your mind. Okay, so we did 2 cases before. We'll do a 3rd case. When something is in your memory, or if you remember something. Okay, the verb in this case is to remember. I mean, there are many ways you can use the word here is yaad. When you are doing the remembering, okay, which is basically you will use it with karna, right? Yaad karna. I am actively doing the remembering. But when something comes to your brain, you will use it with hona. Okay, hona. And this is what we're going to be using, yaad hona. Okay, so when you have a memory of something, okay, so the pattern here is X ko or pronoun ko in this case. So if I'm using it with main as a subject, I will say main plus ko, which is mujhe or mujhko something yaad hai. Okay, mujhe yaad hai. Okay, if you are just simply saying, oh, I remember, you'll say mujhe yaad hai. Okay, now the thing is, what is it that you remember? You can say mujhe, I remember your name. Your name is aapka naam. So mujhe aapka naam yaad hai. What else can you put in here in this template? I can give you more examples. So you said aapka naam. Okay, let's say I do not remember, password. Mujhe password yaad nahi hai. You want to say I do not remember her phone number. उसका फोन नंबर याद नहीं है. Same thing you can say with other way as well. मालूम नहीं है, पता नहीं है. But we are just exercising the word called याद होना. Okay. Let's say the route. You're going from point A to point B. Beautiful. Rasta. R with A, half sir, and T with A. मुझे रास्ता याद नहीं है. Okay, मुझे रास्ता याद नहीं है. Okay, I do not remember the date. Tarik. You will T with A, you will R with E, and then sometimes it's written as K, sometimes it's written as K. Either way is fine. As far as like the you're concerned, like तारीख. मुझे तारीख याद नहीं है. So far we're talking about singulars. So naam, password, it's not password, it's password, phone number, rasta, they're all singular. That's why it's hai. Now we'll do plural as well, and then hai becomes hai with the nasalized sound. If it is plural, mean tarike yaad nahi hai. You do not remember the rules of the game. What is rules? Niyam, very good. So the word is niyam. Okay, so if you do not remember the rules of the game, how would you say that? Very beautiful. मुझे खेल के नियम याद नहीं है. Similarly, you do not remember the lyrics of the song. Beautiful, right? मुझे गाने. I'm going to write down the more formal one, a very formal one. गीत के बोल, which is how it is known as lyrics of the song, or गाने के lyrics. This is totally fine as well. गाने के lyrics याद नहीं है. Okay, मुझे गीत के बोल और मुझे गाने के lyrics याद नहीं है. Okay, I do not remember, last one, and then we'll move on. I do not remember the instructions. Beautiful, right? And instruction in Hindi is nirdesh. So it's nirdesh. I mean, for more Sanskrit oriented students, nirdesh is nothing but ni plus desh. Actually, it's the other shah. Yeah, no, it's not. Nirdesh. So it becomes na with e, ra on top, and desh. But you can simply say, if it's hard, you can simply say, मुझे instructions याद नहीं है, and that's totally fine.